for inviting me to this event and for the opportunity to deliver this goodwill message at this opening ceremony. Finally, I wish all participants a happy deliberation. I look forward to an increased synergy and collaboration between the Council of Regulation of Engineering and the Architect Registration Council of Nigeria, ARCON. Thanks for listening, and God bless. Thank you very much.
We can actually do better than that. Let's put our hands together for him. Before I invite the next person to give us goodwill message, let me quickly acknowledge the presence of the Director General and Chief Executive Officer of NIMASA, represented by Engineer Oche, a fellow of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, who is the Executive Director, Cabotage Services. Let's put our hands together for him. Engineer Oche, please let him stand up for recognition. We can actually do better than that. Let's clap for him, please. I was informed that the master came here with more than 32 engineers. Let me quickly invite for his goodwill message the Registrar of Quantity Surveyors Registration Board of Nigeria, Alhaji Abdullahi Alkali. Please, can we put our hands together for him as he comes to the podium for his goodwill message.
The chairman of this occasion, Dr. Tayo Afolabi, representative of the Honorable Speaker, House of Representatives, representative of the Honorable Minister of FCT, the representative of the Honorable Minister of Works, Royal Fathers present here, ladies and gentlemen, I have here with me the goodwill message of the President of the Quantity Surveyors Registration Board of Nigeria, Alhaji Murtala Aliyu, Mutawallen Gombe, and former Minister of State for Power. He had wanted to be here personally, but unfortunately, he could not make it back to Abuja from Kaduna this morning. So he asked me to read his goodwill message. This is the message. I bring to you special greetings from Quantity Surveyors Registration Board of Nigeria. I feel very delighted to be part of another knowledge-sharing event of engineers in your 30th current assembly, engineering assembly, whose theme is tagged Domestication and Development of Codes, Standards and Regulations as a panacea for engineering infrastructural failure in Nigeria. I must commend the President of Koren and his council members for sustaining this annual event that has helped to fine-tune the professional practice of registered engineers in Nigeria for years. This event I consider to be a veritable platform for professional engineers and indeed stakeholders in the industry to brainstorm with the ultimate aim of generating solutions to engineering problems. Of course, the need to domesticate and develop codes standards and regulations that could serve as panacea for engineering infrastructure failure has become very imperative. There is no doubt that our country is in dire need of the combination of these subjects to be considered in this event and technology to create the much needed enabling environment as well as solution to the continuous infrastructural failure in our nation today. The future of human demands and of projects delivery is moving towards global commonization. We therefore call on COREN to sustain this interface with relevant stakeholders among sister professions and other institutions like the Standard Organization of Nigeria to achieve a sustained success. I must therefore say that the choice of this theme is not only apt, but very timely and in line with the current situation and yearnings of our country. It is my hope that this event will be an ideal platform to brainstorm on these issues succinctly for future implementation. I wish you a fruitful deliberation, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Please, can we give him another round of applause? Do I have everybody's attention, please? We'll be rounding the opening ceremony off very shortly. But before we do that, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to welcome to the stage for his address our host, who is none other than the Honorable Minister, Federal Capital Territory, Alhaji Muhammad Musa Bello, who is ably represented here this morning by Engineer Shehu Hadi Ahmad, FNSC, the Executive Secretary of the Federal Capital Development Authority, FCDA. Please give him a resounding applause as he comes up to the stage. Please let's make it louder. Thank you very much.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The chairman of this auspicious occasion, the 30th Foreign Engineering Assembly, the President Council, Engineer Ali Rabiu, Ichigari Lafia, fellow of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, and fellow Academy of Engineering, the representative of the Right Honorable Speaker, Your Royal Highnesses, my brother, Royal Highness, the Emir of Lafia, Justice Mohammed Sidi Bagay, the first, and my brother, Royal Father, Emir of Doma, and other Royal Fathers here present. Past presidents of foreign here present, the National Assembly.